Coal power plants have been a cornerstone of electricity generation for over a century. But have you ever wondered how they actually work? In this video, we'll break down the entire process of how a coal power plant converts coal into electricity. From the fuel arriving at the plant to the electricity flowing through your home, we'll explain it all step by step. If you're curious about energy production, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the world of electricity. Let's dive in. Step 1. Fuel. Where it all begins, coal is the primary fuel for these plants. Here's how it gets to the power plant. Transportation. Coal is delivered via trains, trucks, or ships. Storage. Once it arrives, it's stored in large coal piles or silos. The quality of the coal affects its energy output, and plants often use bituminous coal or lignite, which have high energy content. Step 2. Pulverizing the coal. Before coal can be burned, it needs to be ground into a fine powder. Why? Pulverized coal burns more efficiently and completely, producing more energy. This step is carried out in massive machines called coal mills or pulverizers. Step 3. Combustion in the boiler. The powdered coal is blown into the boiler, where it mixes with air and ignites. Inside the boiler, temperatures soar to over 1,500 degrees 2,732 degrees, creating a massive flame. This heat is used to convert water into steam. Step 4. Steam generation. Water flows through pipes that surround the boiler. The intense heat converts the water into high-pressure steam. The steam reaches temperatures of 500, 600 degrees, 932, 112 degrees. It's this steam that drives the entire electricity generation process. Step 5. The turbine. Converting steam into mechanical energy. The high-pressure steam is directed into a steam turbine, where it pushes the blades and causes the turbine to spin rapidly. This spinning turbine is essentially the heart of the power plant. The mechanical energy from the turbine is converted into electricity in the next step. Step 6. The generator. Mechanical energy to electricity. The spinning turbine is connected to a generator. Here's how it works. Inside the generator, a magnetic field interacts with copper coils, producing electricity through electromagnetic induction. The electricity generated here is still at a very high voltage and needs to be transformed. Step 7. The cooling system. Managing excess heat. After passing through the turbine, the steam needs to be cooled and condensed back into water. This is done in a cooling tower, or using water from a nearby river or sea. The cooled water is recycled back into the boiler, completing the loop. Step 8. The transformer. Ready for the grid. The electricity generated in the plant is at a very high voltage. It's sent to a transformer, which adjusts the voltage to a level suitable for transmission over power lines. High-voltage electricity is more efficient for long-distance transmission. Environmental impact. While coal power plants are effective at generating electricity, they come with significant environmental challenges. Burning coal releases carbon dioxide, CO2, a major contributor to climate change. Other emissions include sulfur dioxide, SO2, nitrogen oxides, NOx, and particulate matter. Many modern plants are equipped with technologies like scrubbers and filters to reduce emissions. Fun facts about coal power plants. The first coal power plant in the world was built by Thomas Edison in New York City in 1882. Some of the largest coal plants can produce over 4,000 megawatts of electricity, enough to power millions of homes. Advanced technologies like carbon capture and storage, CCS, aim to make coal plants more environmentally friendly. Coal power plants have been a cornerstone of electricity generation for over a century. But have you ever wondered how they actually work? In this video, we'll break down the entire process of how a coal power plant converts coal into electricity. From the fuel arriving at the plant to the electricity flowing through your home, we'll explain it all step by step. If you're curious about energy production, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the world of electricity. Let's dive in.